Hello everyone, this is Ashish Charles Masih, working as a computer teacher in Sarmang International School. This is for last six, chapter 1, Fundamental of Computer. Now we are going to start lecture 1. You have to define what is a computer. A computer is an electronic machine that is used in almost every field. It is designed to perform many functions. It can process billions of instructions per second and can store a whole amount of information. You can say like that your own word. You can say that a computer is an electronic machine which takes data to input device, then processes and generates its result to output device. Okay, just like I have given the example, see the figure. A computer is an electronic machine that works on data. It can perform calculation faster. It has the ability to process, store and retrieve data. Computer can be used to type document, send email, play game, listen to music, browse the web, watch video. We will study about some more fields where computers are used. Now, the computers are broadly classified into four categories based on their size and type. First, microcomputer. Second, mini computer. Third, mainframe computer. Fourth, supercomputer. A computer system consists of two parts. Okay, there are two parts. Hardware. It consists of the physical part such as keyboard, monitor, hard disk, printer, motherboards. Now, what is software? It is a set of instructions that tell the computer about the task to be performed and how these tasks are to be performed. In this lesson, you will learn about computer hardware and software. Now again I am repeating what is hardware. Some hardware part like keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, speaker are visible outside the CPU box. Other hardware parts are present inside the CPU box like hard disk, CD drive, motherboard, SMPS, memory. See the figure in now. What is the full form of SMPS? Switched mode power supply. It means it supplies power to all the devices present inside the computer. Okay. Now, one student has said, "Hey Mighty, when I click on the start button, all program and many more name are displayed." Mighty smiled and said, good question. These are software installed in your computer. Now, what is a software? Software is a set of instructions that tell hardware what to do. This is shown on the desktop in the form of icon. You can neither touch nor feel a software. See the figure. He had given their desktop screen. My computer network, Mozilla, there are a lot of given the small picture. This is called icon. Okay. Next, type of software. Application software. Second one is system software. Now, first point, application software. Application software programs are designed for specific purpose. Some commonly used application software are given below. Okay, everybody has known that MS Paint given that Paint is have written that Paint is a software used for drawing and coloring picture. Another example also I have given Auto Photoshop. It's used for creating and editing picture. Another also I have taken example MS Word. It's a word processor software used for writing and editing text. More example I have taken Filter Media Player is a software used for watching movie. Okay, now come to the point. Second part, system software. System software run the application software. System software control and manage your computer. When you start your computer, the first computer to run is a system software called operating system OS. If it call that we will call OS. OS short form operating system. Now Windows 7 is the most operating system. Windows 8, Windows 10 is the latest operating system. Now I have given very easy example to can understand. Okay, I have given a see the figure difference between human and computer. Okay, one man is stand there and computer another stand there. Okay, first topic storage. Man has said I forget easily. Computer has said I never forget. This is first point. Now second point, accuracy. Man has said I can make mistake. Computer has said I never make mistake. Okay, this is the second point. And third point, time. Man has said I need more time to complete the work. Computer has said I work very fast. This is the third point. Now fourth point, work processes. Man has said I get tired easily. I need rest after working. Computer has said I never get tired. I do not need rest. This is the fourth point. Now fifth one, decision. Man has said I make my own decision. Computer has said I cannot take decision. This is the 5 point. Now sixth point, feeling. Man said I have feeling. Computer has said I do not have feeling. I hope you understand. Now next, characteristic of a computer. Okay, a computer is an electronic machine which has following characteristics. First point, speed. Computer work at rate speed. It can do billion of calculation in a few seconds. Again I am repeating. Computer work at rate speed. It can do billion of calculation in few seconds. Now second point, memory. Computer can store a large amount of data safely in its memory for future use. That is why they are so useful. Okay, second point over. Now third point, accuracy. Computer is a very accurate machine. 4. Delegate. Computer can do the same job again and again without getting tired or bored. 5. Versatility. Computer can perform different type of job. 5. Multitasking. The computer can do many different jobs at the same time. Now the last topic, limitation of computer. First one, computer are machine. They have to be given instruction for each step of operation. Second point, unlike women, they cannot think on their own or take decision. If they receive wrong instruction, they will give wrong output. Third, unlike human, computers are not reactive, they simply follow instruction. Thank you.